All right, gang. I found out why my sounds were previewing, and I want to show you that real quick. This will be on the quiz. Bonus question. So I went to general settings. I did a Google search to find the answer. And under preferences, so file preferences, and then under general settings, I noticed that my laptop speakers have been selected and not the headset that I'm wearing right now. So I'm going to go ahead, and if I select my headset, maybe you could hear the sounds, but I certainly couldn't. So I'm going to see if that fixes the problem. So preview, and of course now I can hear it. So what I did is I went to the object jelly, and where the ball first gets caught by the jelly, I included the instruction audio play sound, which is how you get sounds to play. And then it needs three arguments. It needs to know the sound ID from the list. So right here, it needs to know the importance, or the priority of the sound. And in most cases, if you don't have a ton of sounds playing at once, you'll leave that at either 0 or 1. And then it needs to know if it loops. Now, if this was a musical number that was playing while the player was playing, then I would say true. So when it finished the sound, it would loop back and play it again. But with this being a single sound, I only needed it to happen once. I also went ahead and added a bounce sound, and so I'm going to go ahead and in the object ball, uh, for example, where it meets the bat, I can say audio play sound. And again, I need three arguments: the name of the sound, I need the priority, and whether or not it's going to loop. And so let's have both of those things happen. And now I got a little bit of audio in my game. So there's the sound, and a nice squishy splat when it hits the jelly. So that's going to be the last video of the week. Thank you for watching. I know they've been a little bit longer, and I appreciate your patience. And I hope you do well on the quiz. So take care.